I'm a project manager. My name is Francesca Taranto and I work for FCI. FCI is a company which was born 30 years ago as a furniture retailer shop in the northwest of London. Now we're starting with a new project, is presenting a new project which will start in 1 month, we hope, and accompanying these Italian brands. GED Cucine is a manufacturer of kitchens. Then we've got Idea Group, which is about bathrooms. New Form is tubs, and Gazzotti, which is a manufacturer of wooden floor. The project now is to present here in the UK market these companies. We are trying to cover basically as much as possible all the fields about the interior design and the architecture. Just to give as much possible assistance and service to the architect. So FCI is going to host these companies, these Italian brands, which at the moment don't have a window in London and not even in the UK market. So coming to London, the architect or the interior designer and coming to FCI showroom will find these brands plus other little brands and all the answer for their design to complete the full project. I'm going to be the coordinator of this link between the Italian companies and the market here in UK and the architect. Our aim is to be a very comfortable and informal place where to come and find projectionality and all the new products and assistance on project, yes. So starting with the kitchen, just looking at the different kind of furniture, because if you look in the detail, this kitchen is slightly different from the usual one because of the thickness of the panels. The material is composed. It is a solid wood in 3 layers, which normally you don't have in a usual kitchen. So it will allow you to use and produce much wider panels, which we have used in those central units where you can hide the appliances, or the working area where you always have the little appliances like a kettle or a coffee machine, the usual things that normally in the kitchen are always untidy because you are working with the kitchen, right? So if suddenly somebody comes or you don't have time to tie it up, you just close and everything is going to be perfect and clean as you want to have your kitchen when it is a stylish kitchen. So that's the idea, and people is really appreciating the mechanism and the idea itself. Looking at the bathrooms, you can find new materials. That's something else that I like about these companies. They all are spending a lot of effort on research of finishings, materials and mechanism. This is what, at least in Italy, but I believe all over in the design market, that's the difference between one company, one brand and another. So you got the leader and the followers.
I am Luca Barbato. I am export manager of GED Cucine, that is an Italian manufacturer in kitchen. It have a very long story because the company is born in 1969. It's a very huge company with plus that 80 people work with 2 plants, one for the kitchen and one for the woodworking, because we have in our DNA we have the wood finishing. We present here in 100% Design in London this new kitchen called Velvet Elite with a 3-layer finishing in solid wood oak finishing, and is available in 9 different colors of solid wood. The range of GED Cucine is very big because we have a very big range of finishing, from melamine to solid wood to concrete to lacquer, glossy or matte, glass, glossy or matte. We think that UK is a good market for the next future because it's developing a lot. There is a lot of construction and the property market is growing up, I think, like nowhere in the world. I am very excited to present our products here in 100% Design, and it's an honor for us to be here, and we trust a lot in this exhibition, and I like to be here, and I am very happy that the company decided to present our products here.
Here we are in the bathroom area, and if we look at the 3 compositions we got in display, all of them are showing a research on the finishing. For instance, Sense is working with the nanotechnology, and if you touch the sink we've got in display, the touch is like leather. It's very, very nice, very pleasant. Again, it might seem something useless, but it will make the difference actually, you know, because when it is in your home, everything in your home, you want to be warm and welcoming. So even these little details at the end are not little details at all. The tendency now, so the research now about wood and the focus for our company, which is Gazzotti and Idea Parquet, is to go more and more close to the real wood, as wood was in nature. So even if you look at our stand, we try to recall this message, also using the ropes, you know, using natural materials, and this is all the message. Let's go back to tradition, to what till 5 years ago, 10 years ago, we used to throw because it was old, but it's not old. Actually, it's precious, it's antique. There's a huge difference. So let's use what is antique and make it modern, make it contemporary.